Nissan builds everything from thrifty commuters to family crossovers, full-size trucks, and one of the most famous sports cars alive, and every one of them stands on the same 4 contact patches. Choose those patches right, and even a humble Sentra stops, steers, and survives storms with confidence. Choose them wrong, and no badge can save you. Today you get the full picture. 3 tyre brands that should never touch a Nissan, and 11 that actually last, counted down to the one name that outlives them all. Number 14. Triangle, the discount that isn't. We open the never buy list with the temptation at the top of every budget search result. Triangle, one of the bottom shelf brands that dominate online tyre shopping on price alone. Half the cost of a premium tyre looks like free money, and the fine print is written on the road. Budget tyres in this class have repeatedly finished at the back of independent tyre tests, and the discipline they fail hardest is wet braking, stopping distances that run several car lengths longer than the leaders from the same speed. For a commuter Altima in a highway downpour, those car lengths are the entire story, and the economics collapse on inspection. Rubber at this price wears faster and loses grip earlier, so the replacement set arrives sooner, eating the savings while the braking gap rides along the whole time. A cheap tyre on a daily driven Nissan isn't a discount. It is a loan, and the interest is measured in meters you don't have. Next, 2 badges share one factory. Number 13. Westlake and Goodride. One maker, double warning. The second warning covers 2 names from the same producer, Westlake and Goodride. Different labels, identical philosophy, maximum cheapness. Their weaknesses are exactly the ones testing keeps documenting in this class. Long wet braking, early aquaplaning when standing water arrives, and vague rubbery steering that turns confident driving into estimation. On a light city runabout that is unpleasant. On a loaded Rogue full of family or a Frontier towing at its limit, it is a margin problem because casings built to a rock-bottom price run out of reserves exactly when weight, heat, and speed stack up. That is the Nissan-specific trap. This lineup works for a living. Crossovers haul households, trucks tow and carry, and tyres near their load limits on hot interstates need engineering their price never included. The rule of the never buy half. The harder your Nissan works, the more expensive a cheap tyre becomes. Then the used car favourite gets exposed. Number 12. Linglong, the used car lot special. The king of the never buy list is the name you have most likely already met without noticing. Linglong, the default rubber of the used car trade. Its business model is the warning. Dealers preparing a trade-in for sale need 4 tyres at the lowest possible invoice, and Linglong wins that contest daily, which means countless used Altimas, Rogues, and Sentras roll off lots wearing tyres chosen by someone who will never sit in the car, selected on cost by a seller, inherited by a buyer who assumes tyres are tyres. They are not. The test results put this class at the back of the field where it matters most, in the wet. So take the practical rule with you. When you shop any used Nissan, read the sidewalls before the window sticker. Fresh budget rubber tells you how the seller makes decisions, hands you a negotiating point, and writes the first line of your to-do list. And with that, the warnings are complete because the next 11 names have earned the opposite reputation. Now the 11 keepers take over. Number 11, Cooper, the honest value pick. The good half opens with the value benchmark. Cooper, the old American brand that has kept working vehicles rolling for a century. Cooper occupies the sweet spot this entire half is built on. Genuine engineering and testing, at a price below the premium giants because the badge spends less on fashion. The CS and Endeavour lines serve commuter sedans with long wear and honest wet grip, while the Discoverer family gives Frontiers and Pathfinders tough, snow-rated all-terrain capability without the flagship price. Cooper's chapter teaches the distinction that separates this half from the last one. Cheap brands save money in the casing and the compound, where you can't see it and can't afford it. Value brands save money on marketing, where you'll never miss it. Your Nissan can feel that difference at every wet stop sign, and your wallet feels it nowhere. One quiet Japanese name comes next. Number 10. Toyo the Enthusiast's Secret. Toyo is the brand that forums recommend and showrooms forget. A Japanese maker with a cult following built entirely on substance. The range maps onto the Nissan lineup like it was planned. Open country all-terrains that Frontier and Titan owners trust for towing stability, and slow, even wear touring lines with generous mileage warranties for the commuter fleet and the Proxys performance family that Z drivers have run on street and track for decades. The common thread is durability, casings with a reputation for shrugging off abuse that retires lesser tires. For the owner, Toyo is the rational middle path. Premium-grade toughness, sensible pricing, Japanese engineering under a Japanese car, and none of the corner-cutting from the first 3 chapters. If your Nissan works hard or travels far between tyre shops, this quiet name belongs on the shortlist. Let me say one thing, and then I will not bring it up again. I have gathered these secrets and much more in a book over nissansecretsusa.com if you want it. It's in the comments and on the right side of the screen. That's all. Let's us go further with the video. Number 9. Falcon, the value performance champion. Falcon made its name by delivering serious performance at a mid-tier price, and 2 product families carry that reputation straight into the Nissan world. The Wild Peak all-terrains made premium off-road ability affordable, deep, aggressive tread, severe snow certification, and casings built for load, which is why so many Frontiers and Xterras wear them. And the Azenis performance line gave Sport Compact and Z drivers grip that embarrasses its price point, earning Falcon a permanent place in tuner culture. The broader point Falcon proves for this list: trustworthy doesn't have to mean expensive. The 11 keepers share honest engineering, not a price bracket, and Falcon sits exactly where performance-minded Nissan owners on real budgets should look first. A 370Z on a Zenith or a Frontier on Wild Peaks gets most of the flagship experience for clearly less money, with none of the bargain bin gamble. Finland has answers for harsh winters. Number 8. Nokian, the winter specialist. Nokian is the specialist chapter, the Finnish company that invented the winter tyre, and the answer if your Nissan lives where the seasons mean it. Winter rubber is Nokian's home game. Its winter lines are the benchmark other brands chase. But the reason it earns a place here is what the company built for year-round drivers. All-weather tyres that carry the severe snow rating while living on your car 12 months straight, plus tough SUV and truck lines with aramid-reinforced sidewalls, the same fibre family used in body armour, guarding the exact spot where potholes kill tyres. The use case is any northern state Nissan. The Rogue that commutes through lake-effect snow, the Sentra that can't afford 2 sets of wheels, the Frontier that ploughs through slush to a job site. For real weather on one set of tyres, the specialists answer priced below the biggest names it outperforms in the cold. A famous parent hides the next bargain. Number 7. General, the quiet Continental. General Tyre is the best kept secret in the value tier. Owned by Continental, engineered with access to the parent's technology, priced like an independent budget brand. The lineup names even rhyme with your car. The Altimax touring family has spent years winning value comparisons for commuter sedans, delivering wet grip and tread life far above its price class, while the Grabber all-terrains give trucks and crossovers snow-rated toughness with the same trickle-down engineering. That Continental connection is the quiet advantage, big brand wet-breaking science wearing a modest label. For the Nissan owner, General is the smart second quote. When the premium number makes you flinch, this is the brand that captures most of the performance for meaningfully less. The pattern of the good half holds again. The difference between cheap and value is not the invoice. It is where the engineering budget went, and General inherited a very good one. Italy brings speed to the party. Number 6. Pirelli, the performance statement. Pirelli is the fashion-forward chapter of this list, and behind the fashion sits serious engineering. This is the brand of choice when a Nissan's job description includes speed. The P0 family is a fixture of the supercar world, and its street lines bring that pedigree to fast sedans and the Z, sharp turn-in, high-speed stability, and wet performance that keeps big power honest. The Scorpion range covers the crossover and SUV side with the same character: quiet, quick, precise. The honest caveat travels with the territory. Performance compounds, trade tread, life for grip. So Pirelli is the chapter for owners who prioritize how the car drives over how long the set lasts. For a Maxima that hustles, a Z that gets exercised, or a Murano owner who wants the sporty end of refined, Italy delivers. For maximum miles per dollar, the countdown continues. Japan meets Japan in the next chapter. Number 5. Bridgestone, Nissan's factory. Partner Bridgestone is the world's largest tire maker, a Japanese giant with decades of factory relationships across the Japanese auto industry, Nissan very much included. That original equipment history matters. Tires developed against an automaker's own targets for noise, wear, and stability, tuned to the cars you actually drive. The range covers every Nissan without a weak spot. Turanza touring lines that run quietly towards some of the longest warranties in the business, Dula and Alenza families carrying Rogues, Muranos and Pathfinders, and the Potenza performance line with genuine racing heritage for the Z. Bridgestone's engineering culture is conservative in the best way. Few experiments, few surprises, and that temperament is exactly what a family vehicle deserves. The buying rule writes itself. If your Nissan came on Bridgestones and served you well, replacing like with like is the lowest risk decision in this entire video. Boring in tires is a 5-star review. Desert racing forged the next legend. Number 4. BF Goodrich, the off-road icon. Now the legend, BF Goodrich, whose all-terrain KO family is the most famous off-road tyre ever made, proven by decades of desert racing victories. The KO's fame lives in its sidewalls, reinforced shoulders built to survive the rock strikes and impacts that destroy ordinary casings, wrapped around tread that claws through mud, sand and snow with a severe weather rating. This is the default tyre of the overlanding world, and the reason serious frontiers, Titans and Xterras wear that unmistakable shoulder pattern like a uniform. The honest trade comes with the armour, extra weight and a highway hum, plus a small fuel penalty, which makes the rule simple. If your Nissan truck genuinely leaves the pavement, this is the benchmark that turns capability into routine. If your dirt is limited to gravel driveways, the final 3 chapters spend the same money more wisely, and they are the 3 biggest names in the business. America's blimp brand lands next. Number 3. Goodyear, the dependable all-rounder. The bronze medal goes to Goodyear, the century-old American giant whose range quietly covers every Nissan ever sold. The Assurance family is the commuter's friend, long-wearing, weather-ready touring tyres with some of the strongest mileage warranties in the class, built for exactly the Sentra Altima road life most Nissans live. The Wrangler line has been the working truck's tyre for 50 years, from highway duty to the Duratrack's genuine off-road bite. And Goodyear's century of factory relationships shows in the manners, composed under load, predictable in the rain, gracious as they wear. For the owner who wants one dependable answer without studying tyre tests, Goodyear is that answer. Whatever your Nissan's job, there is a fitment sized and rated for it, from a company whose weakest product is still competent. 2 names remain, and they define the premium tier between them. Germany claims the silver medal. Number 2. Continental, the braking specialist. Silver goes to Continental, the German giant that has quietly specialized in the single most important thing a tire does: stopping. Continental's touring and crossover lines have spent years at the top of independent wet braking tests, precisely the discipline where this video's never-buy brands live at the bottom. The gap between a Continental and a bargain tire from highway speed in the rain is measured in car lengths, and every one of them matters most in the 2 seconds you least expect to need them. Around that specialty sits a complete portfolio: refined touring lines for the sedan fleet, capable crossover fitments for Rogue and Murano, all wearing factory approval pedigree across the industry. The buying rule: if your Nissan's life is pavement, passengers and weather, Continental optimizes the moment that defines safe from sorry. Only one brand on earth beats it, and it wins the long game. Everything ends with the mileage king. Number 1. Michelin, the brand that outlasts them all. And here it is, number 1, the answer the title promised. Michelin, the brand that actually lasts in every sense that word can hold. Start with the literal sense. Michelin's Defender family is the mileage legend of the tyre world, with warranties reaching up to 80,000 miles, among the longest in the business, and owner reports that make budget tyres look like subscriptions. Then the sense that matters more. Michelin's lasting performance, engineered to keep their wet grip and breaking deep into their tread life, where lesser tyres fade quietly long before they look worn. A half-worn Michelin still behaves like a tyre. A half-worn bargain behaves like a rumour of one. The range covers every Nissan life without exception. Defender for the commuter fleet and the long-haul rogue, Cross-Climate for one set-all-year sanity in real weather, LTX for frontier and Titan work, and the Pilot Sport family, the performance reference of the industry for the Z and everything that wishes it were one. The price is the highest on this list, and the cost per mile, the honest number, is routinely the lowest, because you buy fewer sets and every set protects you longer. So here is the rule this whole countdown was building toward, whether you drive a base Versa or a tuned Zeed. Never let the invoice choose the only parts of your Nissan that touch the road. Skip the 3 names from the start, shortlist from the 11 that earn their keep, match the tyre to your car's real life, and if the budget reaches, put this chapter's brand on all 4 corners, check your pressures monthly, and rotate on schedule. Your Nissan was engineered to last. Give it tyres that keep the same promise.